You may find it useful to add a sway as a tab in a Microsoft class team. This can help your class to quickly navigate to your key support materials for recovery and catch-up. However, when you go to add a tab in a class team, currently there isn't a direct way to add the sway through an app link. There is, however, the option to add a Sharepoint page, and we can add the sway this way. Let's take a look at how we can do this. In our class team, go to the Files area and select the Open in SharePoint option. From the view in SharePoint, select Pages from the navigation menu on the left of the page and click New, then select Cite Pages. Add a title to the page. You can also edit the title display by clicking on the pencil icon and choosing a plain style. Underneath the page title, select the plus button and add an Embed section to the page. This is the same embed icon you see for embedding YouTube videos into Sway directly. You're now ready to copy the embed code from your Sway. Navigate to your Sway and select the Share button and then choose Embed Code and Copy to Clipboard. With your embed code on your clipboard, go back to your SharePoint page and paste in the code to the window on the right-hand side of the page. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and V to do this. Uncheck the Allow Comments option on the page and then select Publish. Use the Copy Address button to copy the URL of the SharePoint page containing the Sway to your clipboard. Now navigate back to the Class Teams channel where you want to place the Sway and add a new tab. Select SharePoint and choose the Add Page Address option. Paste the address from your clipboard into the window and select Save. The Sway will now appear in the tab in the class team, and this will aid easier navigation for your pupils.